Hi guys, welcome back. I just want to apologise because half of the recording is missing. I do apologise. However, you do see most of the design acrylic application. So I'm just going in here with CJP's electric blue. I'm just doing a full nail of that. I don't know what happens to my recording, but when I've just come to edit the video, it's all gone. So this is all I have left, and I didn't want to leave my channel with nothing, so I thought I'll just upload it anyway. It does show you most of my acrylic application anyway. So I'm just working really thin with these because I do cap them and add decals and a bit of stamping and stuff. Obviously that's the part that's missing. So I am sorry about that, but you will see the end result. I've left a photo at the end for you. This colour is just gorgeous. I'm using my CJP Liz Guild brush as well for this. And I'm just going in on the free edge there and applying this electric blue again. And then fading it up the nail to create an ombre. Do apologise for being out of shot. I will get there, guys. I will. One day. And then I'm just adding a little bit more colour just to until I'm happy with the coverage. Then I'm coming in with CJP's Mermaid and feathering that down to create a nice soft ombre. I love these colours together. So pretty. This camera's not doing them justice at all. Also, if there's anything that you guys want to see me do, please just comment below, because I'm just putting videos out there of everything at the moment. But if there's anything in particular that you want to see, let me know and I'll try and get it done for you. Sorry, I'm just applying a little bit in at the edge there that I felt like I missed. So obviously I've already gone in and done, I forgot to say, I've already gone in and done my prep and cuticle work and applied the clear base, etc, etc, prepped, primed, all the rest of it. And this colour is Ultraviolet by CJP. It's a lovely purple, and it's got, you can't see it in the camera, but it's got a slight shimmer in it. It's really nice. It's like a bluey shimmer. But then I don't know if that's from the other colours I've used. Anyway, yeah, I'm just going in and applying a full nail of this, I think. I'm going to have to start putting like a mark on the tissue, on the bedroll, to keep my client's hand in that spot because I can't help it. I keep going out shot. I like drag them towards me and then realise I move them back and yeah. So I didn't go right up to the cuticle as you can see on there because I am going in with some glitter, and I did apply this chunky glitter at first and then I think I decided to take it off, yeah, and apply a finer glitter underneath it first so it wasn't gappy, if that makes sense. So I weren't too bothered about the last few bits left on there. So this glitter I'm going in with now is Blue Steel from Sparkle Supplies UK. Not that you can see anything, oh my goodness. But yeah, I just dip into my clear acrylic and then dip straight into the raw glitter, apply it on the nail and feather it down. I do apologise. And then the chunkier glitter that you saw me apply before, I do apply that over the top of it. So that's Hawaiian Sparkle and it's from Glitter Stella. Hawaiian Nights, sorry. I'll leave links to everything I've used anyway and any discount codes in the description box as always. Is there even any point in me uploading this? Can't believe I just missed the whole of that glitter application out. Anyway, I'm doing the same on this nail, but I'm doing a full nail of it. So this first finer glitter I'm going in with is Blue Steel from Sparkle Supplies again. The main reason for me applying the finer glitter underneath is A, to get a neat cuticle application, and B, so there's no gaps in between the chunkier glitters. It just helps with the overall coverage. So as you can see there, I'm faffing as usual. This glitter's just stunning. I need to get like an overhead stand so I can place my phone on there to record so it stays in one place. I'm really sorry about that, guys. But yeah, if there's anything you want to see me do other than, you know, stay in shot, let me know in the comments below and I'll try and get it done for you guys, and I'll try my hardest to stay in shot. I love this glitter. It's got so many colours in it. It's got like purples, blues, turquoise, blacks, but they're holographic as well, so really pretty. So yeah, this is like pretty much all you see me do, but you'll see a picture of the finished result in a second. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. It does mean the world. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for joining me, guys. Bye.